This is a demonstration of how to use Zoom to make a cloud recording. Go to berkeley.zoom.us/meeting. Start yourself a meeting with video on. That will launch Zoom. Once you're in Zoom, connect to audio however you choose. Computer audio is usually the way to go. Share your entire screen. And then start a recording. Record to the cloud is fine. You can record to this computer too if you prefer, but I think life is going to be easier if you just record to the cloud. Now, once you've started recording, it's okay to hide the video panel and hide the floating meeting controls. Now, you've got your whole screen back. You can go take the exam. When you're done, you just press Escape. That'll bring your controls back. You can stop sharing your screen. You can stop the recording. Once you stop the recording, you'll receive an email notification when the cloud recording is ready.
The recording has stopped.
Which in my experience happens pretty fast. Then you'll share the link to that recording with the course staff and you'll be done with video proctoring.